MotorcycleDen, and today we're going down in Kentucky. We're going to go to Red State BBQ. Some good eating. So anyways, we're going to stop there for lunch, and we're going to go on, well, it's state routes, but they're more back roads for a bit. Hopefully we miss the rain. Rain's coming later this afternoon, so we'll keep an eye on the radar. Right down here wasn't bad. It was, we was on 27 almost the whole way, and we got on 62 for a bit, and we jumped on 75 for like 5 miles. So. Is that it?
Yep.
I'm gonna turn
You parked on?
right here. I'm gonna turn around. Well, anyways, that's it. Red State BBQ.
Yep, no line. I don't know where I got the line from.
Red State BBQ. So let's go get something to eat because it's pretty good food.
I'm hungry.
So we'll see you in a bit. That's Red Glide, new one, 114. That's nice. All right, man, we're heading into Red State BBQ. Check it out. All right, man, check this out. Oh man, this is looking good. I hope you guys can smell it. There's Mrs. Den getting ready to eat, taking my picture. Alright guys, man, we just finished lunch and it was fantastic. Oh, Red State BBQ, just south of Georgetown, Kentucky. If you guys get a chance, go there. Excellent food. What do you think, baby?
Oh yeah. Get the pulled pork, the green beans, baked beans, and the potato salad. You'll be happy.
Man, no,
Very
it's
good.
It's good.
He had the pulled pork just like on a plate. I had a pulled pork sandwich. It was outstanding. The best I've eaten anywhere.
Yeah, it's great. Alright, we are on Sharp Road. And we decided to take a few back roads today.
No, I didn't.
Mrs. Den wanted to, since she's like, how about if we do something different, take some back roads today?
No.
I was like, great idea, honey. She's like, yeah, you know it. That's how I roll.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was bad.
That's painful.
That did not sound good, did it?
No.
Hopefully we didn't break
Like
nothing.
it went through the rim.
I know. Hopefully we didn't break anything. That was rough.
Now we're still moving.
All
And
right.
you got it on tape.
So, anyways, yeah, we're on this for a few miles, and then we're gonna get on state route, and then another back road or two.
No.
So, yeah.
I don't like these roads like this. In Kentucky, you never know when it's all of a sudden going to turn to gravel.
Well, then we turn around. That's all you do.
This road's skinny.
So what? You just take your time. There's no cars on it.
We've passed too.
They'll wait.
Ah.
Believe me, they'll stop and wait.
This is the type of road you take when you're solo, not with me.
Yeah, with you.
No.
She just don't realize that she likes these roads. She just don't know
You
it.
just don't realize I don't like these roads.
I realize it.
Thanks.
Ow! I got that on tape.
Good. I will remind you. Can't believe you said that, you nerd.
What is that, water? Oh, we gotta cross a creek here.
Oh, we did?
Well, it's not really a creek. It's kind of like, it could be. We're saying calling it a creek. But it's pretty cool. I mean, there's no cars on it, hardly. So, this will make Mrs. Den happy. She wanted something different, so.
No. This is what I was I never said nothing of the sort.
Maybe I said that. I don't know. I get confused. We're around 368 heading north, I believe. Oh, this is a great little road.
I like this road.
This parallels a creek. And
I'm gonna drive with it.
yeah. That's why I picked it. That's why I picked it.
Sorry, I thought you were talking to me. I forgot you were recording.
Yeah, that's alright. That happens when you get old.
I'm not old, so let me know how that goes for you. Or you'll forget to tell me. Dang, that was a big bump too.
It's going well for me.
Old?
Yeah. I mean, you know, anytime I forget, all I do is, I'm old. Yeah, it's a good excuse. People's like, oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah,
Except for me, I don't buy it.
you don't?
No.
I mean, heck, you don't even have to buy it. I give it to you for free.
You swerved to hit it.
I missed it.
I felt it.
Well, yeah. What I missed was worse. This is pretty through here.